Now that we read the story, we're going to listen to the story and we're going to act out the flashing fireflies going into the jar, okay? I'm going to show you how you do it first, and then we can do it with the rest of the story.
10 flashing fireflies at filament sturgeons. What do we see in the summer night? 10 flashing fireflies burning bright. Catch the one twinkling there like a star. One flashing firefly in our jar. What do we see in the summer?
Okay, so what happened in the story? One firefly. We've got one in our jar, right? So we're going to go ahead and draw one firefly into our jar. But we have 10 flashing fireflies in the night sky. And we have one in our jar. There was 10, and then we got one.
And then it was 10?
It was 10, yeah, it was 10 fireflies. Now we have one, so there's going to be 9 fireflies outside of our jar. Right? Plus the 9 that are outside makes 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to write that down here. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Okay, so you can make your paper look like mine, and then we're going to finish the story. How many fireflies did you catch in your jar?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10, good job. How many fireflies did we have in the night sky?
10.
10, there was 10 fireflies. How many fireflies did we catch and put into our jar first?
10.
How many? We caught all 10 at once? Okay, so how many fireflies did we catch from the night sky?
1.
1. So we put 1 in our jar. Okay, so how many fireflies are are still in the night sky?
10.
How many fireflies are in the night sky if we have 1 inside the jar? There's 1. 1 is in here. How many are out in the night sky?
9.
9. There's 9 fireflies. We still have 10, but 1 is inside and then the other 9 are out here. What happened next?
2.
2. So how many are we going to put in there?
2.
Well, 1 more so that there's 2, right? Right, so there's 2 fireflies in the jar. How many are outside the jar?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Okay, so we have 2 inside and 8 outside, right? So 2 plus 8 equals what?
7.
2 plus 8? You gotta go bigger. 2 plus 8. Remember we have the fireflies we started with? Do you remember? How many did we start with?
1.
How many fireflies were in the night sky?
10.
10. So if we have 2 inside and 8 outside, how many fireflies do we have? 10. We have 10 fireflies. Yeah. Okay, so what happened next?
1.
1 more firefly went inside. Go ahead. How many do we have in our jar now?
3.
3. We have 3 fireflies inside our jar. How many are still in the night sky?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. We have 7 fireflies. So, how many inside?
3.
3 plus
7.
7 equals?
8.
Now, remember what the fireflies we started out with?
Oh, yes.
How many was it?
7.
How many fireflies total? There's 7 outside and 3 inside. How many fireflies are there?
Here?
Everywhere. Both. 3 plus 7 equals?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Remember, we'll always have 10 fireflies. Remember, 10. The book is called 10 Flashing Fireflies. So there's always 10 fireflies. What happens next?
There's 6 fireflies.
There's 6 fireflies in the jar. So 6.
4.
6 plus 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Equals
10.
10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Good job. What happens after that?
7 fireflies.
7 fireflies go into the jar. How many fireflies are outside of the jar?
3.
3. So 7.
7 plus equals 10.
7 plus what?
10.
Plus 7 plus
3.
Equals
10.
10. Good job. You can do the next one. Let's see how many. What happens next?
8 fireflies.
8 fireflies go into the jar. And how many are outside?
2.
So what's our math problem?
8 plus 2 equals 10.
Yes, it does. Good job.